So one of the things that you can go ahead and do in Handbrake is go ahead and export out a certain video range of choice. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto File, and let's say, for example, select out this video footage right here. So you can see that this video footage has been loaded, and now you can see that the duration of this video footage is 12 seconds right here. So if I want to go ahead and export out a range within that, let's say from 4 to 9 seconds only, or 4 to 10 seconds to be exact, then you can go around over here and select seconds. You can also choose frames or chapters as you wish, but I'm just going to go around over here onto seconds, and then over here I'm going to go ahead and type in 4 right here, just like this. So you can see that the end second is 12, but I'm going to select from 4 to 10 seconds right here. So once I go ahead and do that and click on Start Encoding, then what happens is that it goes ahead and exports out the footage right here, just like this, in that particular range. And then that has been exported. So you can see that this is what I have. So if I need to have 6 seconds of video footage if I were to actually go ahead and select this range. So if I were to go around over here onto properties, you will be able to see that this is 6 seconds long. So if I were to go ahead and open up the video, then that particular range is just selected out and exported just like that. And that is how you can cut start or end of the video with the range settings inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.